Hello kittens. I know it's been a while. Let's see. This is a quick, well, not a quick, but it's an update, sort of. Well, it is, yeah, it's an update. I have the items for HTC Vibe. Just need to put the software together. The reason why I haven't done that for the past few days, I've had a migraine headache, and I today started on the garage, and I'll be doing that for the next few days. The reason for that is, while it's not raining, is I need to rip the cardboard apart, put it in the recycle bin, make more room for one of 3 items that I have in the garage. I have a mobile phone, which is what we call it in Australia. Yes, I know Americans call it a cell phone. Same with Philippines. So yes, I know the various ways of calling it. Anyway, long story short, when the garage is ready, which should be by this weekend. The reason why I say by this weekend is I have to repair the roof, items like that, so this way when I'm doing the project on video for you, I am not getting drenched and electrocuted at the same time. Quick reason why I'm fixing up the roof myself. I have tried all roof manufacturers around Newcastle. I've rung Sydney as well. They have given me excuses saying, oh yeah, we'll be there in the next few days. Same with Newcastle roof manufacturers, even handymen I rang. Found out they were not even going to turn up. Their excuse was, oh, my wife has got the virus. They did not even have a wife. They did not even have a girlfriend. I dislike being lied to. So, long story short, I'm doing it myself. Yes, I've said many times that I've had a dual heart attack, which means a 2-in-1. One after the other. And yes, I died on the way to hospital in the ambulance, and I died at the hospital. So it took the hospital 3 or 4 days in an ice, what they call an ice bath. They had to massage my heart. While they were massaging my heart with the doctor's hand, he was even sewing my heart together, because it has a how do you describe it? Like when you get a scar on your arm. My heart has a scar right down the middle. He was sewing that scar together with his bare hands. And they were keeping me alive in an ice bath under 20 below. That's how the nurse explained it to me. There's the short version. Now, I have 3 boxes in the garage, which will be for the variety section. Variety / go-karts, etc., as I put on the title of my where it says gaming, variety, go-kart, etc. I will put my hand on one of those. I have asked. One is a Volkswagen, one is a Jeep, and one is another brand name called Mercedes-Benz. And I will ask, stock or not? Pardon me. When I say stock or not, means stock being anything that is recommended for the age group that it says. That's stock. When I say not, means do you want to see me create from the stock version to an updated version? And yes, I have 2 Volkswagens. And yes, they are both licensed. One is for the project, one is for myself. And after each project, this is what I will be doing. I will be giving away either the stock, if you say it's stock, or not. So if I make something from stock into a new vehicle, and after it's created, say it takes me a month. After that month, if I have, say, for example, 500 viewers, out of that 500 viewers, I will pick a name, any name, as long as they are, and these will be the rules, as long as you are in the Newcastle area, which means you could be in Barnsley, West Wallsend, Taree, Hamilton, anywhere in the Newcastle region that is close to me. Anywhere that is close to me within driving distance, and that you have the ability to go somewhere within driving distance to a go-kart range. Me, I do not. I would like to. And so if you are in those areas, and if I eventually get up to roughly about that, I don't want to be any higher than a 500. I don't want to be a big name. I just want to stay a small, what do you call those people? Anyway, I just want to stay small. I just want to be unnoticed. Anyway, I will be giving away the vehicle after it's created. And that will be, say, one Volkswagen. If I have a Jeep, which I do, the one that's in the box, I will be asking the audience, stock or not? If they say stock, I'll build it. I'll request people from Newcastle area, and the first Newcastle area that comes to claim it, or the first Newcastle person that says, yes, I'm in Newcastle, I live close to such and such, I will give you the landline to my place. I won't give you the address. I'll do that over the phone. There's no way I do that over the internet. Because I would want to meet the person that I am giving the items to. I would want to see their kids that they're wanting to give them to. Whether they're boys or girls, I don't care. As long as I know that these vehicles are going to be used to have fun with. Alright, that's everything. And as I said, I have a second Volkswagen. I will only be doing that one up for myself, and that'll just be for an electric runabout. Going to do the shopping, put the shopping into the front section of the Beetle, and coming home, that type of thing. Just like a Beetle's used for. A nice little runabout. Alright, I'll see you later, kittens. Oh, before I forget, I don't know the name of this place, otherwise I would have told it. Alright, see you later, kittens.